Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can use DroidCam application on your mobile and the laptop for web meetings. You can use just as this mobile as the mobile camera as the webcam for your laptop. See, currently this is on the uh, Microsoft Teams. I'll be minimizing this. I'll be opening this Microsoft Teams, right? See, this camera whatever I show here, this is acting as the web camera, not only on the Microsoft Teams. Even if I use for this is on the Google Meet. Okay, Google Meet, if you can see close up Google Meet and this mobile camera. Okay, all right, I'll be showing you the mouse which will be showing you there. Okay, this all happened with DroidCam, both installing on this Android phone and also on the laptop. I'll tell you from the scratch. Okay, first of all, let me close this. DroidCam is active, right? Let me stop this with the stop option at the right top corner, and I'll be confirming the stopping action so that it will be removed. So first of all, you need to open the Play Store and you need to install this DroidCam. Just for you to show you, I'm installing from the scratch. And meanwhile, on your laptop, just browse through droidcam.app/windows. Anyway, I'll be dropping this link in the description, and you need to install this software and download and install. Okay, once you install, right, from the applications, you need to open this DroidCam client. Okay, when you first open the DroidCam client, this is the screen what you'll see. And on the phone also, click on open as soon as you download. Then here you need to click on continue. It will ask for the permissions. If you're okay, you can give the camera and other permissions. Okay, it asks for the microphone, camera, and I gave. And one thing here is this mobile and this laptop should be connected to the same Wi-Fi. In my home there is a Wi-Fi to which this phone and this laptop has been connected. And see here, it is asking me to click to add a new device. I'm adding this mobile to this DroidCam client. When I click on that, so it gave me some Wi-Fi IP address number. I need to enter this Wi-Fi IP address here. So click on use Wi-Fi and I'll name it as my mobile. Okay, you can name it or you can leave it like device also. And in the Wi-Fi IP, I'll be entering the same here. After you enter, just click on OK here. As soon as you do that, this mobile will be used as the webcam here on the Droid client. See, okay, right? Now I can show you this, right? Now say for example, if you want to use this for Microsoft Teams, maybe you have a Teams meeting. So on your computer, just open Microsoft Teams. I just opened Microsoft Teams. I'll be joining a meeting now, and here I'll be joining here. Once you're in the meeting, at the right top corner, you'll see this camera symbol, right? In the drop down, you need to choose this DroidCam radio button instead of integrated camera. Integrated camera in the sense that is laptop camera, you need to choose Droid camera and you need to turn on the camera. So once you're opted for that, you can see this mobile which is using as the web camera. Means if you want your front camera, selfie camera, click on this option here and use the front camera option. So in this way you can use DroidCam both on mobile and on the laptop for the online meetings. That may be Zoom also. The same goes with Google Meet also. If you are doing with the Google Meet, click on the Google Meet and click on the start now, and here at the bottom you will see that option. Actually at the bottom you'll need to choose this DroidCam. That's it. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.